welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. Yes, my single has been released. It was received with a rapturous response. Listen, gold is out, it's there. If you follow me on my socials, you'll see lots and lots of promo videos all about the new single Gold. So guys, go out, download it, stream it. Let's get it to #1, yeah. So, this week, I made a very quick recipe because I've been so busy, but there's always time to cook. And so I made a fritter, plantain fritter. Really good, really simple. But before, don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, comment and follow me on all my socials. So this is how I made my plantain fritter. We've got garlic, onion, peppers, plantain. All gonna get smushed together. And here are 3 really ripe plantains, ready to mash. Plantains mashed. Now we're gonna add some salt, smoked paprika, turmeric and black pepper. Here is all the seasoning, mix it all in. Now we're gonna add some fine cornmeal, and then we made our lovely sauce earlier. We're gonna add the sauce and we mix. I'm gonna add some more chopped onions to give it a bite. And then I'm going to add some parsley, but you can add some fresh parsley if you have fresh. Bad boy's ready to go in a nice fried pan of oil. Just like a normal fritter. #1. And gently cook these bad boys for 5 minutes on each side. Because I'm on a now ting, we've got 2 pots going. That one and that one. These are done. Dampen off excess oil. So my people, I am here with the Lockdown King and I'm about to perform Gold. Here we go. We're gonna sing Gold. Hey, yeah. Never known a love like this, oh baby. I never known a love like this. I never known a love like this. I never known a love like this. I never known a love like this, oh baby. I never known a love like this. I never known a love like this. It shows that you're gold. JB Rose, what a tune!
John Rosie, nice one, JB Rose. Love it.
You're gold, don't you know it? You're gold. You're gold, don't you know it? You're gold. You're gold, don't you know? Don't you know it? Don't you know it? You're gold, don't you know? Don't you know it?
Cheese on bread. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tonight's guest on Set the Trend Live and the live performance by JB Rose. And now, here come your hosts.
But start.
Big up Neville Thomas in the chat. All Fifth Avenue's dub plates, the ones that you hear just sound like a record. Done in 2B3 studio. Neville Thomas.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss JB Rose.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Wow. Wow.
It was Shaka Khan, Freddie Jackson, and then little old me.
Because we're going to bring Pete Andrew in.
You're surprising me.
I've got to say, I'm really proud of my sister, Jamie. That was fantastic. All my life, obviously, my sister's been singing in her bedroom, and to introduce to you my amazing, gorgeous sister, JB Rose.
No, don't you know? It is dinner time, but Anaya made this lovely. What is it, please?
It's called Circle Stars.
Circle Stars. Isn't that beautiful?
And
And then he also did a lovely picture. I'm not sure about it. I said, why is he called a dummy? And Dan Boy, but his name's Dan Boy, and he's a dumb boy. Why is he dummy?
because he doesn't know what 6 times 6 is.
Because not 6 times 6 is. We'll work on that because he's not dummy because he doesn't know what it is. And then we've got this lovely other picture of the sea. Hold it up. You hold it. I'll do the rest. Yeah. I'm not the sea. And this is the moon going down, Anaya. And you've got 2 mystic people. And they're going for a lovely walk on the hills. Beautiful drawing. Well done, Anaya.
Let's continue this journey of discovery. How did you become vegan?
I was a vegetarian for many, many years. I decided I'd go completely vegan. And that was because I had seen so many programs about how meat is produced, the mass production, and you know, the way that animals are treated, but also the chemicals that they put in the meat, and the reasons why we are very sick all the time is to do with all the chemicals that they put in the food and the way they produce it and they process it. And I'd just seen enough documentaries where when I got pregnant I said I didn't want my son to have this in him, so that was it. I became a vegan. Good morning. So this is a Saturday morning and my child is doing football. In fact, this is his first ever football match and I'm going to it. He joined the local team and he's now in the team and Mummy is going to watch the first match. What I love is the fact that juxtaposed to family life, which is this sort of stuff, football. This morning 8 o'clock I had to take my child to gymnastics. The other one, the younger one, he loves gymnastics. This one loves football. And when I go back home I'm going to be doing all sorts of stuff and music to do with JB Rose and Gold on my single. Centre half, there he is. Ooh. So far we are winning 1-0, but it's cold, yeah? So the kids had a 1 minute silence for the young boy that got struck by lightning. He was 9. 1 minute silence. Lovely. Hey. They both got a party later on, so I'm going to drop them to a party and then I'm going to come back home. In the afternoon I'm going to be doing JB Rose Gold and JB Rose Back to Love and JB Rose, all my stuff. They're going to get the kids back. Lots of driving, but I love it. It's very, very diverse life. So my good friends, please go along and download. Go along and share. Tell everybody about Gold. So guys, I hope you like my recipe. I hope to see you next week. I'm busy doing live performances and so on and so forth. But I will be here next Sunday with another recipe. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. And guess what? For healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.